I am so excited to tell you about 99 Mosley Street, situated in Aurora Village. This is a brand new custom-built home with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms on 3 levels, featuring close to 2,600 square feet above grade, plus the finished basement. It has beautiful vintage white oak engineered hardwood floors on all 3 levels, pot lights throughout, Caesarstone counters in the kitchen and bathrooms. No detail was overlooked or expense spared. Plus, this location is only 3 blocks to Yonge Street with shops, cafes, restaurants, and the new town square development. Half a block to Town Park with the farmers market every Saturday morning, live concerts on Wednesday evenings in the summer. We are a 4-minute walk to the GO station for an easy breezy commute. This home and location truly have it all, and you will not want to miss out. Let's take a look. My name is Heather Kennedy from the Key Advantage team. For more information or to book a private showing at 99 Mosley Street, reach out.